Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking proportions so the rest looks right. Draw a horizontal rectangle about twice as wide as tall. This gives you Canada's long shape. Once done, divide that rectangle into 3 vertical zones to place the main provinces. Lightly mark Hudson Bay in the center right and the Yukon and Alaska border at the left edge. These anchors prevent distortion. Make sure to keep lines faint so you can refine edges later. You now trace coastlines which define the country. Begin at the Pacific. Draw a jagged but flowing line for British Columbia and the long coastline south to Vancouver Island. Move eastward and carve the large indentation of Hudson Bay with smooth inward curves. This separates Ontario and Quebec visually. Add the Great Lakes Gap at the southern border, then dot the Arctic with island clusters. Vary sizes so the archipelago feels natural. Once finished, step back and balance proportions. You finish by cleaning and refining lines for clarity and accuracy. Erase the construction grid and darken the coast and provincial borders. Add key labels like Hudson Bay, Great Lakes, and St. Lawrence to orient viewers. Shade or hatch Arctic islands lightly to show depth and add a compass or scale if needed. If the silhouette looks off, compare to a reference and adjust the overall width or height by about 5 to 10%. This small tweak corrects most proportion errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.